Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail password in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, someone who has hijacked your Gmail password. Now, you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. How do you rescue affairs? We will see live in this tutorial. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, is not in a position to the rescue of his Gmail password because of now he doesn't have the recovery phone and the recovery email so that he can recover. And when he attempted that, it seems that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. So the Google will ask for this info to keep secure your account. This can be the possible. Answer as many as question as you can. Second, the user device where we have a signing before. That is that alternative. We quit all option and we will approach the another options that will be best and reliable to rescue quickly. So just we will come to Play Store. In the Play Store we will come with especially Opera with AI browser. So now it has started to install here. See quickly. Here on the other hand, two changes is very crucial on especially Chrome product. So let's sorry. It was especially here, so we will come on here and we will have to make a dysfunctional of this browser. So we have attempted via Google products browser. So now here just we will make it removes this free of space notification. We will have to especially quickly. We don't have much more time today, guys. We have to rescue 2-3 space live. So just we will come in especially in locations to we will make the precise location of tap on here, don't allow engage. So no longer the function as intended of this device has. Finds now we will come on the back one more time, set as a default. So we will click on here and here check it out that it should be a disable open supported link that should be disabled, guys, so that Google will not now try to option this browser will not be a function. Now similarly Chrome is also product of it, so both are similar. So just we will tap on it, we will come in the notification is already blocked, so let me block in permission. Of course we will have to come once again in a locations to click here and make it the precise location off, then we will tap on here, don't allow, so no longer the function as intended. For more confirmation we will go for free of space is off, so now permanently it's disabled. Now we will come here to open especially this browser where I have, yes, it has been installed here, so just we will go for click on here. We will have to accept the term and condition of this browser, so waiting for it, guys. Here yes, we will come in here, just we will go for set as a default and this thing is coming, so just we will go for a skip. No, don't go for much more especially, just we will go for customize, we will go for confirm, and now this browser will be ready. Now see what will happen here. Just we will pick these options, so directly we would be here. Just we will pick this one to other signings. Now here just we will go for here to right here. Yes, in this side. Fine, we will go for next, and when we tap on an next, now see here it's asking password. We forgot password, we don't have a password, so now it's asking last password. So one more option has been given, so just we will go for try another way. Now this phone number is especially from the UK, it has a valid registered ID, so just we will go for don't have this number. Now see here what we will do. Now it's just mentioned you did not provide enough information, but here is having that one more option is given that motives to others from this account. So by that, of course, easily surely we can recover of this idea. How it is possible, guys? Yes, we will show you. Here see, don't try again, otherwise Google will track easily that I am trying to rescue of this idea by different browser. So now what have I to do? Just we will tap on a setting, take any smartphone, apply a similar strategy and check the result and blindly raise the comment below the comment box that I have done it. See here, guys, now we will come in especially Google services. Now by this any idea that can be the rescue of easily. Now we will come in especially help option. In a help option, see guys, here we will have option that in a help search bar. I'm waiting for it, guys, here. Yes, it came here. Now we will write here a secured or compromising option. Just we will now see Otherwise you have to write especially, I mean, hacked Gmail recovery, then it will reflect it. Now here, see guys, yes, find out if your account, see if you still believe that someone is using your account, find out if your account has been hacked. So we will fix this option. But if you would like to review how many ID are especially, yes, how many devices are locked with this special ID, then you can go here. But we are not going because we would like to make a quick this especially rescue. So now here these steps especially we will go for here. When we tap, let's say especially tap on especially, I mean recover, and when we tap, then see directly we are on a recovery phase, and here don't have to do anything, so just we will fix this one and we will go for next and see here what's going to happen here. Now see, finally it has been recovered. What you see guys here, not required anything, so just don't click on a continue in excitement guys here. Don't click on here, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify you option, and then OTP would be generated of a US number that was especially mentioned. So here don't click on here, just we will tap on smartly especially on update option. On update options there is option to create a password, confirm password, and after save it. After saving, of course, we will go in a security management, yes, Google management account, and after going in a Google account management, they will go in a security option there. Firstly we will add alternative email. After adding alternative email, then we can remove the recovery especially phone number, and we will add a new phone number. So this ID will be permanently secure, but further we cannot add especially procedure, maybe data privacy concern of my viewer. So that's all on this tutorial. On a live screen we cannot add furthermore. So this is all about guys. How do you like this tutorial? Don't forget leave the comment. Yes, and furthermore any inquiry, then of course I have the query below the comment box guys, so drop the query in the comment box. Yes, your comments and your admirable especially and the compliments, this is very essential for me to make further tutorial as a especially. This is only for institution purpose, education purpose guys, don't misuse it as tricks. And further, yes, if you are unable to execute these things because we have a created customized environment on especially PC with especially system etc. So if you are unable to execute the whole procedure and it's confusing to you, or any technical issues are coming in your area, then of course drop your Gmail also in the comment box. I will pick. If you don't have any problem to disclose your Gmail in a public domain on this channel guys, then thank you very much for that. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.